Beep boop bop boop, 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 beep boop beep beep. Oh hey, I'm Tom. I work at Mystery Ranch in the warranty repair department. I also sometimes live in the parking lot, so I'm the perfect person to teach you how to clean your Mystery Ranch pack. Come with me. Woo! If you have access to compressed air, blow off your dirty pack. Focus on zippers and sliders and anywhere debris can collect. On to step 2. Step 2. Remove the yoke, remove any accessories, loosen the waist belt, turn your pack upside down, and dump any debris. On to step 3. Step 3, for mega dirty jobs, use a power hose like one found at a car wash.
Or for more moderate jobs.
Whoa. I got this. Or for more moderate jobs, fill a tub with warm water. You can use a brush if you need to. You could also use a garden hose. Mild detergent can be used if necessary. Remember, don't put your pack in a washing machine. Step 4, hang your pack in a well-ventilated area, out of direct sunlight, preferably upside down. Make sure your pack is completely dry before reassembly or sending it to us for repair. Finally, thoroughly inspect your pack after cleaning. Make sure all zippers and buckles are functioning properly. If something seems off, let us know. Send us a photo or a video, and our experts will check it out. And remember, we got your back. Beep boop bop boop, 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 beep boop.